Right here are the brand new M4 iMacs, and today I'm in LA at an Apple event and I wanted to show you all of its new features and something that nobody's really showing you. I'll tell you at the end. First, let me show you all the new colors. So let's start off with silver. Silver looks incredible. It's kind of like the more basic color, the more minimal color, but it looks incredible and it fits pretty much every room, you know, because it doesn't like pop in color. Obviously in the front, the white bezels. It's a very white Mac and I love it. It's like the classic iMac color. Then let's move on to the new green color. It's a little more bluish than green, and this one just feels like a tree green. And in the front, we've got a more pastelish green right here. It still looks incredible. Let's move on to my personal favorite, the yellow. And the way that I described last year's yellow, the back was kind of more gold than yellow. And I mean, this right here, it looks very, very yellow. And I absolutely love that. Obviously, you know, with the color matched cables. And then on the front, you've also got a very light yellow, once again not gold. The orange, which is one of the most popular colors of the iMac, has kind of gotten a tone down from the orange. Last year's was a little bit more poppy. This one is a little bit darker. It looks incredible as well. I always love the orange iMac so much as well. This is the queen of the iMacs. This is the new pink iMac. This truly feels pink. Last year it felt like more reddish, but this is the Barbie pink. This thing will sell like candies. I mean, I can't be like right now in person, seriously, it looks so good. And then in the front, this is what everybody was waiting for. This truly light pinkish, very, very sweet pink that I'm just obsessed with. Let's move on to the purple. So many colors, I just can't believe it. The purple, this will also be extremely popular. Very lavenderish. The cable, also very lavenderish. And then last but definitely not least is the blue. Now the blue has gotten a lighter tone this year compared to last year. It looks incredible as well. That's a quick hands-on with all the colors. I obviously really want to know which one's your favorite. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, I'm just obsessed with all of them. A wild Krystal Laura has appeared. What's your favorite color, really quick?
Favorite pink.
Pink?
Definitely pink.
It's gonna sell like candy.
How about you?
Yellow. Mine's yellow. Okay, so here's a quick hands-on with the Nano Texture display with the iMac. So the pink one has a Nano Texture display, and this green one does not have it. So let's first test out, you know, the one that doesn't have it. So as you can see, like if we actually move, there will be some glare. Obviously, it's a standard iMac like we've always had it. I feel like with iMac is usually, you know, in offices and studios. Mine personally, from my studio, I actually work in front of a window and there's usually always glare. So I feel like this Nano Texture display would truly help. So if we take a look at the Nano Texture display, if you move, there's not really any glare, anything. This actually costs $200 more. So I think, you know, if you do live in a studio, if you do live in front of a window or something, you're gonna put that, it might be worth it. Now, something to consider also about Nano Texture is that it won't really affect the quality of the color of the glass itself. So you can see like we're actually doing a side-by-side comparison, and in terms of quality, in terms of crispiness of that Retina display, for me it still looks the same. Obviously, you know, we gotta test it out at home like more calmly, but my first impression comparing both devices is that it looks amazing. So yeah, let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this Nano Texture? But do you get it on your iMac or no? Now, something that obviously comes with the M4 chip is Apple Intelligence. Now you can obviously do this with any Mac, with the M1, M2, and now with the M4 chip iMac. But you know, I just got a demo and it's so cool to see all the upcoming features that are coming with Apple Intelligence. Now I just got demoed writing tools, which we already have, and it's incredible that it's already like built into macOS. So you've got, you know, something that you wrote that is not really professional. Just by a tap you can make it professional. They also demoed me ChatGPT integration into Siri, which is one of my favorite features that is coming to the Mac. You can literally ask Siri something, and if Siri's not actually capable of answering that question, it will actually ask ChatGPT. It will ask you, hey, do you actually wanna, you know, ask ChatGPT? You can say yes, and then ChatGPT will answer that question for you. They also showed me Image Playground, which is awesome. So you can actually, you know, if you're doing a presentation and you need a quick image of, you know, maybe your friends at the woods, you can simply tap it into Image Playground, and boom, just like that, an AI image will be generated for you. Maybe it looks too cartoonish depending on who you're asking for, but you know, the demo and with the M4 chip, it just creates it in its snap. Can I ask you really quick, what's your quick thoughts on M4 iMac?
Oh, should be really interesting, and
My favorite is the ChatGPT integration.
I know.
So
I was just telling you.
We need to wait in Europe.
I know. I saw it. It's so quick.
Amazing.
Interactive. What's your favorite iMac color?
What?
What's your favorite iMac color?
Color? Of course, yellow.
Yellow?
Yellow.
It's actually more yellow, less gold this year.
Yeah. So I remember your videos with all the yellow stuff
yes,
in the yellow
it's perfect
field.
for the studio, so yeah.
You need to do again.
If you like yellow, this is your iMac.
Always yellow.
Alright, so one of the best things about the new iMac is something that I've personally been waiting for a very long time. USB-C accessories. No more lighting. I wanted to show you. Can't believe it. We finally have it. This is the pink. By the way, the pink valve looks incredible. We finally have USB-C on all of them. So say goodbye to lightning. You can grab the lightning cables and do like a 3-pointer and never grab them. There you go. USB-C. Here's the Magic Keyboard as well. Also USB-C. What would a mouse and a keyboard be without a trackpad? Yes, trackpad with USB-C as well. This makes me happy. So obviously if we talk about power, we have to talk about the M4 chip. So it will literally make your Apple Intelligence features, your gaming, if you want to game on it, like pretty much like, you know, your day-to-day things of what you would do in an iMac, it will do great at that, right? With the M4 chip. But something new that they've added is the 16 gigs of RAM. So no more 8 gigs of RAM. The base storage for RAM is 16 gigs. So that makes me very happy for the same price tag, which is something that, you know, I definitely like. Eduardo, isn't it amazing that we get 16 gigs of RAM?
Finally. My God.
Say thank you to Tim. Tim, thank you. Thank you, Tim. Thank you. All right, let's take a look at the ports of the new iMac. So over here, we get 4 Thunderbolt ports. Depending on the storage and configuration you get, you might get 2 USB-C and 2 Thunderbolts, or if you pay a little bit more, you're gonna get all 4 Thunderbolts for obviously faster speeds. You can take a look at Apple's website and all the configuration will be there. Obviously the power button remains the same. Like in terms of design, apart from the Nano Texture and the new colors, it doesn't change. It's equally as beautiful. Apple, please never change this design for this iMac. All right, here's a quick hands-on with Desk View, which is the brand new feature on the iMac. I'll tell you what it is. So let me show you. I'm currently calling myself right here. Okay, I'm gonna answer the call, tap join. Okay, so what Desk View is, just imagine you actually, you know, want to showcase these materials right here, right? I can actually tap Desk View right here, right? And then it will simply ask me, hey, you should probably put your iMac a little bit like that. We just do that. And then with this slider tool, you simply select the amount of part of the desk that you actually, you know, want to show. And that's it. You simply have to press share desk view. And now, as you can see, this is this right here. The craziest thing about it is that this is also this. This is desk view. So I can literally be calling my friends and being like, look, this is the new material for my upcoming clothing drop. Boom. I can showcase it. Which one do you like better? What's crazy, like there's no 2 cameras. It's still the new 12 megapixel camera. I mean, I can't believe I'm gonna be using this so much. I mean, I'm always showing stuff in the desk.
Edu, what's your favorite color? Go. Purple. Purple? Yeah.
Okay, I'm buying you a purple iMac.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right, I know I kept you waiting for that thing that nobody's telling you about, and that's the wallpapers. I mean, I personally love Mac wallpapers, and I'm so happy that Apple actually designed these beautiful colors wallpapers to match the Mac itself, right? So I wanted to show you, if we jump into settings right here, and wallpaper, if we scroll down onto pictures, these are all the brand new wallpapers. So iMac silver, iMac blue, purple, pink, orange, yellow, and green. Now obviously, like if we put the yellow one on, obviously in terms of green, it matches better the green, but it's still cool that you can use with all of them. What do you think about the new wallpapers? I personally love it. And that's the new iMac. What did you think about it? Let me know in the comments. Obviously, which one's your favorite color? What's your favorite feature? Once again, I obviously have to go with yellow, and the Nano Texture glass. I'm just obsessed. Okay, subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.